Pultrusion is a manufacturing process used to create composite materials. These materials are made by combining two or more different materials to make something new and improved. Think of it like baking a cake. You mix flour, sugar, and eggs to create something delicious and strong. In pultrusion, strong fibers like glass or carbon are pulled through a bath of liquid resin. This resin acts like glue, holding the fibers together. Imagine pulling a rope through a pool of honey. The honey coats the rope and makes it strong and stiff as it dries. This fiber and resin mixture is then pulled through a heated die, which shapes it into the desired form. The die acts like a mold, shaping the material as it hardens. Once cooled, the pultruded profile emerges as a strong, lightweight, and durable product. Pultrusion is a continuous process, meaning it can produce long, uniform shapes without interruption. It's like squeezing toothpaste from a tube. The material comes out in a continuous, consistent shape. Pultrusion is important because it offers several advantages over other manufacturing techniques. It allows us to create composite materials that are strong and lightweight. Pultruded products are incredibly strong for their weight, making them ideal for applications where weight is a concern, like in aerospace or automotive industries. They are also corrosion resistant. Unlike metals, pultruded composites don't rust or corrode, making them perfect for outdoor applications and harsh environments. Additionally, they are durable and long-lasting. Pultruded products are resistant to wear and tear, chemicals, and extreme temperatures, ensuring a longer lifespan compared to traditional materials. Finally, pultrusion is cost-effective. Pultrusion is a highly automated process, which means it can produce parts quickly and efficiently, reducing manufacturing costs. The pultrusion process involves several key steps. First, fibers are pulled through a resin bath, ensuring they are thoroughly coated with the liquid resin. This step is crucial for achieving the desired strength and durability of the final product. Next, the resin-impregnated fibers are then guided through a heated die. The die has the desired shape of the final product, such as a beam, rod, or custom profile. As the material passes through the heated die, the resin hardens or cures, bonding the fibers together and forming a solid, rigid structure. The temperature and time spent in the die are critical for proper curing. Once cured, the pultruded profile is pulled out of the die continuously. It is then cut to the desired lengths, completing the process. Pultruded products find applications in a wide range of industries due to their unique properties. In construction, they are used for beams, rods, and structural shapes for bridges, buildings, and infrastructure. In transportation, they provide lightweight components for automobiles, trucks, buses, and rail cars to improve fuel efficiency. For infrastructure, pultruded products include utility poles, crossarms, and walkway gratings that resist corrosion and require minimal maintenance. In recreation, they are used in fishing rods, golf club shafts, and ski poles that benefit from high strength-to-weight ratios. Pultrusion allows us to create customized composite profiles with tailored properties to meet specific application requirements.